Welcome back. In this training video, we'll learn how to set up and use promotions. We'll also show you how to archive important details of the promotion for later use. So let's get started. The promotions form can be found in the Sales and Pricing main menu, then in the Sales submenu, which displays the promotions menu icon in the functional menu. The form can also be accessed by typing PRO into the menu code area on the FOURA navigator. Promotions are tools that can help us increase market awareness with the goal of creating interest in sales for our business. And there's two types of promotions that can be set up in FOURA. Let me take a moment to discuss these before we move on. One type is the marketing promotion. This is essentially an awareness campaign to promote your business products and services. This is usually done through store banners, posters, sponsorships, and other general marketing efforts. What a marketing promotion does not offer is any discounts for any products or services. So the other type of promotion is a sales promotion. This is designed to incentivize your target customers to buy the products and services at a discount. This takes a little more effort to set up, but the results can be financially rewarding and offer valuable insights to what customers want. To start a new promotion, select the Add button seen here as the plus button in the header. If the Add button is grayed out, this indicates that you're not a member of the sales manager's security role, which would be required to create the promotion. After the Add button is pressed, a blank entry form will appear. To set up a promotion, there are 3 required fields that are identified by a yellow triangle to the right of each field. These are the 3 required fields that need to be filled out before the promotion can be saved. But let's be honest, that little bit of information isn't going to be very valuable. So we encourage you to complete the entire form as a best practice. And since nobody wants to sit and watch me fill out this blank promotion form, I'm going to abandon this blank form in the interest of time, and we'll use an existing promotion that is already set up in our FOURA Soft Test database. So our first step is to assign a unique 10-digit alphanumeric promotional code. We recommend that you use some sort of logical sequence so you can find what you're looking for over time. I often recommend using a date period combined with an abbreviation or an acronym that makes the most sense for you. Then we give the promotion a unique, meaningful description. And now we should have a brief 200-character summary that describes the promotional effort. The last required field is to select the promotion type. And just a side note here, the list of promotional types can be found in the possible values list under prom type. To access the possible values list, you can find it in the support submenu or by entering the menu code PVL into the menu code area on the FOURA navigator. Although we've entered the minimum requirements for the promotions form, we're not done. We need to select the order type for the promotion. Setting the order type documents who the target market is for the marketing promotion. Setting the order type for the sales promotion makes the affiliated discounts available on quotes and sales order lines. Now, we'll want to give the promotion a start date and an end date viewed here as the effective dates. And some promotions have dependencies on one supplier. An example of this is when an external web developer needs to update your website. Or maybe there's multiple suppliers to help you with your promotion. Perhaps a mailer needs to be designed by one supplier, printed by another, then taken to the local post office for postage and delivery. The point is, all of these steps have costs that should be considered when assessing the return on investment of the marketing promotion. And all of this can be documented in the promotions form. And in either case, we should select a primary supplier and document the additional supplier information in the Contact Notes field. Use the Notes tab to capture any relevant information that pertains to the status or communication surrounding the effort. I use the Note tabs heavily to document status, costs, and events surrounding my marketing events. Now, promotions generally have a budget. Because they can be expensive to create and manage, it's important to document the budget amount for the promotion. Then, as expenses for the promotion are incurred, you can update the actuals field with those costs. And I can't stress enough this point. Use the Notes tab to document expenses and activities that support the accumulating actuals. Actuals are only one factor when assessing the promotion's ROI. But it has been very valuable for us to have this detailed information available when considering other promotional investments later on. Also, remember to attach supporting documents using the Attachments feature. Note that the green check on the icon indicates that there are already existing attachments. Attaching supporting content helps the business maintain an archive of any artwork, quotes, plans, and costs that were affiliated with producing the promotion. Keeping this information in one centralized location accompanied by the notes in the Notes tab may just prove to be invaluable someday. On the attachment form, you have the ability to set the content type for the document that you're attaching. The content type is a way to label what it is that you're attaching so that it can be identified easily later on. To see a list of default content types, select the Contents Type button. Additional content types can be added to the list if the user has the appropriate security role to allow it. As you can see here, this user does not have the correct security role to add or alter any of the content types. And that's it! You now understand how to set up a marketing promotion and have it fully supported with attachments and notes. There's a little more work to do if you want to create a sales promotion, which includes setting up the discounts. So I highly recommend that you take a moment to watch the discounts training video next. Well, that wraps up this tutorial. Please be sure to check out additional tutorials to learn more about FOURA's powerful features, processes, and tips. Thanks for watching.